You ready, Layla?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Yes, what?
Yes, Mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, Mommy.
Yes, ma'am, Mommy. Thank you, Layla. I love you.
Mommy, give me a kiss.
Give you a kiss?
Yeah.
I can't give you a kiss. We're driving, baby. I'll give you a kiss when we pull over, okay? When we get to the store, I'll give you a kiss. Okay? I love you.
Yeah.
Blow me a kiss. Mwah. I love you, baby. I love you so much. I love you. Are you my baby? Yeah, you my baby. Let's see how long we wait.
Oh, what's Shorty doing?
I know you're not going through here.
Oh, hell no!
A few moments later.
Back on YouTube. We back with Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up on them. Trying to see what they got. Trying to get one of them refreshers. Mango, one of them mango acai refreshers. You know what I'm talking about?
Comment down below. Tell us, what do you get when you go to Starbucks?
Lollipop.
A cake pop? Okay.
What is it?
It's a cake pop. Give it.
Layla's about to try the birthday cake pop from Starbucks.
Give me
This
a...
is Jennifer. Welcome to Starbucks. How can we help you today?
How you doing today, Jennifer?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing lovely. Thanks for asking.
We'll get you some coffee.
Yes.
What are we getting today?
No coffee, no coffee, no
Oh,
coffee.
No coffee. Gotcha.
Listen, we're gonna do the mango refresher, dragon fruit refresher.
Mm-hmm.
2 of those, large,
Venti.
please.
Yep.
Water, lemonade, or coconut milk?
Daddy.
Lemonade.
Water.
And what size
Water.
today?
Lemonade in one of them and water in the other one.
One was lemonade and one was water.
Yes,
what size
ma'am.
were they?
Large.
They were both large.
It's fire.
Anything else today?
The birthday cake pop.
Mommy.
We have birthday chocolate and earthquake pops today.
Oh.
It's fire.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the birthday one.
One birthday?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else today?
What's the pink drink?
The pink drink is the strawberry acai refresher, but instead of water or lemonade, it's made with coconut milk. And it's very, very popular.
Let's get it. Let's try it. Let's try it.
And just like all the other
A small
refreshers,
one.
it does have caffeine.
All right,
Small.
yeah, I'm gonna get a small one. You made it sound so delightful.
It's very, very popular.
Okay. What else you
Anything
gonna
else?
That's it.
get? No, ma'am, that'll be all.
Right. Just for future reference, you can get the mango drink made with the coconut milk too. That's the dragon drink, and that's my personal favorite.
Okay.
So you seem to like the mango dragon.
Yes, ma'am.
Throwing that out there, next time you might give that one a try. It's the dragon drink.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so that's gonna be 1814 today. We will see you at the window.
Yes, ma'am. I see you there.
Starbucks and Chick-fil-A. Best service ever. All the time. Every time. I don't care what state
What's
you're
your name,
in.
Carol?
Starbucks, how can we help you today?
How you doing today, Jennifer? Cheryl?
No, don't mess it up. Oh, you want the money?
That's not her.
Yeah. I'm fine.
Let's go half on a baby. Pop.
It'll be 1814.
Yeah. Okay.
Oops. I was a little slow.
Appreciate it. There you go.
A cake pop.
It looks like you too.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like. You like it?
Yeah, this is right picture.
Sprinkles?
Yeah.
Bite it.
Okay, Mommy. Have a good day.
You too. Sarah was so nice.
Starbucks, how can we help you today?
How you doing today, Jennifer?
That wasn't her name. Hey, I want to try too.
You can have both of them.
No.
I want this one.
No, let me try the pink one. It's good?
They say 2 nickels make a dime every time, but listen, this one right here,
Let me try.
it's a quarter piece. You hear me?
Let me try.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Lord have mercy.
That's pretty good. I don't know if it's better than this though.
What?
It's good. It's really good.
What? Don't worry about what's in my cup. What one is it? It's my cup.
That mango dragon fruit with water every time.
Hell no. That shit tastes nasty. I tasted that shit. I almost threw this shit when I'm like, I know this shit ain't mine. I was like, I know this shit ain't mine.
That's what you got the last time.
Yeah, hell no. That shit was nasty.
You drank yours and mine.
Nah, that's not what I got the first time. The first time I got some shit that was tangy as hell. That shit had locked my jaws. That's what I like.
Okay.
You know what this need? They need to put some granolas in this.
Oh.
2 EP everybody in the car. 2 EP.
Okay, I should have probably hit it with the coconut milk. That's what we should have did. We should have hit it with the coconut milk.
Yeah, she won't lie.
Mommy.
Sarah knew what she was
Mommy,
talking about.
Starbucks, how can we help you today?
How you doing today, Jennifer? This right here? Oh no, this is what I had the first time. This is dangerous.
Dangerous, honey.
I'm about to die. These strawberries are so tricky sipping out these sippy cups. Man. They would never just get in your mouth out of nowhere, pause.
No.
Good?
Yeah. Thank you.
Do you like your cake pop?
Yeah, the teacher.
You like your cake pop? You love it?
Yeah.
So you had to pull back up for another one? For the big boy.
We back, YouTube. Just left Starbucks. Had to get one of them things. Got the big one this time. They ain't tell me it was gonna taste like that. Who done wasted a whole Starbucks drink? They wasted a whole Starbucks drink.
Shame on them. What's up, YouTube? So I gotta do this really quick. I was recording before he got out so that way he wouldn't think anything of it. But we got his drink. We're gonna prank Daddy. Okay, so I'm gonna tell him that Layla knocked his drink over. He's gonna be pissed. So, yeah. So we're just gonna say that Layla knocked his drink over. But I'm gonna have to figure out somewhere to put it. I guess I'll put it down here. I'll hide it behind my purse. Yeah, I'll hide it behind my purse. So he can't even see it. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. Okay, he can't even see it. Okay, I got it hidden, y'all. He's gonna be so mad. This is about to be so funny. Comment down below. Team mommy all day. We're starting prank wars and he has no idea. I'm excited. Oh, he's coming. It's coming. You're about to be pissed.
Why?
Come
Where's my drink at?
Gone.
Why?
Layla knocked it over.
That shit ain't funny. You out here laughing. That shit wasn't funny.
That shit was funny. You was pissed. Starbucks.
Boy, put this in the cup for me, bro.
Y'all got y'all's new brand ambassador for your pink
That
drink.
shit is crack.
Not crack.
But what the hell? Boy, what the hell? They thinking making some shit like that? Like what?
I mean, it's good.
Nigga,
To say crack,
it's
I'm not sure.
refreshing. Most refreshing drinks ever.
Maybe weed, not crack.
That shit's crack, nigga. Like, you can't go on. If you taste that, you can't go that long without having another one. Yeah, ain't no in hell. You can't just be introduced to that and be like, yeah, oh no, it was
So are you
okay.
a Starbucks head now?
Yeah, for that.
You're
All they strawberry drinks.
all their strawberry drinks.
Yeah. I told you we ain't playing with the drinks. We ain't playing about the drinks.
Woo! Oh,
You drinking too much of my shit.
I only had 2 sips.
6 hours later.
Drink all my stuff that I ever
Yeah,
did.
because you started the war on that.
No, I didn't start no war on that. No.
Don't forget to subscribe. And hit the like button.
Finish him!